Transform your kids' drawings into a fun animation, fast and for free. Go to this site, see link in the description, and press the top right button, try it now. After accepting the terms and conditions, the next screen takes you to the uploading drawing screen. You may use one of their drawings for a demo, or upload your own drawing. The system will take you step by step, explaining what to do to have your perfect animation. Make sure the character is drawn on a white piece of paper without lines, wrinkles, or tears. Upload a drawing of one character, where the arms and legs don't overlap the body. I choose to use this example. The system will identify the character and place a white box around it. You can resize the box to make sure it contains the whole body. Press Next. Now the character is highlighted. If needed, use the pen and eraser tools to fix it. If the arms or legs are stuck together, use the eraser tool to separate them. Next, you have to mark the joints of the character. You can make them shorter or longer. Once you finish this step, you can add your desired animation. On your animated drawing, press the bottom right corner to expand the view. Download your animation. Go back and choose another one and download. Do it with as many animations as you want. Use same drawings or different ones. Enjoy!